This background is real. This background is fake. I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is to go to pixabay.com from your phone. This is the one. And you want to search for an image. Let's write down living room image, search. And for you to know, all the images on Pixabay are free. I like this living room. If you press download, it's free to download. And now you need to go to CapCut, add a new project, add the photo that you've downloaded from Pixabay. You have to remove the CapCut logo and then extend the photo to how long your video will be. And then you go down to the bar and press overlay, add overlay, videos overlay. This is the video that I want to change the background. Add the video, extend it with your fingers, and then we have to find the remove BG. Remove BG stands for remove background. You press auto removal, and then you have it. In a couple of seconds, your background is changed. Take off. Here, you cut it, you delete it. Now you have a nice background. See, you can expand yourself over here if you want, or make it here. Look how realistic it looks. Let's see. Perfect. Now let's say that you want to blur your background. To blur it, what you need to do is to export this video. Done. And then add a new project. And then select your video again. Delete the CapCut logo. And then you go to Effects, Video Effects. You go to Lens. And you need to find the blur lens, blur effect. Okay, now you need to extend your blur all through the video, like this. Now what you need to do is to export the video. Done. And now again, new project, add the blurred video, remove the CapCut logo, and then add overlay, and then add the video that is not blurred, which is this one. Okay, you extend it. And now we have to remove the BG, remove the background from the second video. Auto removal. As you can see, you have removed the background from the second video and you have blurred background. That's it. And then you press export. And that's it.